Hey there bosses, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a very simple animated YouTube video intro using Canva. So to do that, you want to open up your Canva. I do have paid Canva, but you can do this with the free Canva as well. So you want to go into create a design. You want to go into YouTube thumbnail, because the YouTube thumbnail usually has the size that is compatible with your video. So that's 1280 by 720 pixels. So you want to select that. All right. Once this comes up, you can definitely add several elements to this. One of the things I like to do is to choose one of my uploads. So here's a picture of me. All right, if you have a picture that has the background taken off, that's great. You can go to remove.bg to do this, or you can actually do this in Canva if you have the paid version. All right, so I'm gonna put this image here. All right, so let's do that. And let's say I was going to create this intro for a YouTube channel I have called The Bold by Animate. So let's do that. I could write out the subjects that I cover on that channel. So that's career, productivity, and the PhD lifestyle. All right, and so we can play with the fonts a little bit. I'm just going to choose Bibis New. You can size your text whichever way you want. And then I want to add some extra elements. You can definitely jazz this up, and obviously my design skills are not as advanced, but you can add whatever it is you want to add. So since there is an academic twist to this, I'm going to put a graduation hat here. I'm going to find some books. Okay, so here's some books. There's even one that's already animated. So let's go ahead and add that. And then I'm just going to keep this. So yeah, let's size those up a little bit. Okay. All right. And so once you've put the elements you want to put here, you've done whatever you want to do. Let's change this background and make it a little bit more colorful. I'm going to choose. All right. So like I said, you can definitely jazz it up a little bit more. I tend to like these little dots that everybody's using these days. So I'm just going to choose a style I think is cool and put it in the corner here, and do the same thing here for this corner of the video. All right, so once you've picked and chosen the elements that you want to be in this graphic, then what you want to do is go into Animate. And if you have the paid version, you'll have access to all the different animation versions. But these ones here that don't have the crown on them, those are all free for anybody to use. And so if I click on it, you'll see how, it gives me the block. If you do the fade, this is how it's going to show up. You can do a pan and then have it come in like that. It's pretty cool. So let's do that again. Okay. You can have the rise in there. So basically you can, and then you have the tumble. All right. So let's do, I kind of like the pan. All right. And then what you're going to do is once you choose that, it will apply the effect to all the elements. And I like to play it to make sure that it's moving. Obviously, this graphic is moving already, so we already kind of had a moving element in there, but you can simply play it like so. And then look at the intro. And then once you're satisfied with what you've done, you can go ahead and download this video and save it on your computer and use it as a YouTube video intro. So that's how to create a very simple YouTube video intro. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you